Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. From time to time, in our gym, things break. From rowers, to walls, to dumbbells. If it gets used by an athlete, it's probably gonna break. Well, today we're up against one of our biggest breaks yet. We've got a huge dent in our floor, and I haven't peeled back the mats yet to see how bad the problem is, and we're gonna fix it today. This is my second time repairing any concrete. So if you have ideas about how I can better handle this job the next time I have to repair concrete, leave it in the comments below. I wanna know what I'm doing wrong so I can do it better next time. Let's go. We noticed this a few weeks back. Our concrete floor has a giant hole in it. About 18 inches by 24 inches. First thing I have to do is clean up this whole area. All cleaned up. Time to start mixing some concrete. For this project, I'm using standard Quickrete. Nothing special, not the quick drying, just the standard Quickrete. Really gonna watch my water with this concrete because I don't want it to get too watery. I want it to be kind of thick for what I'm gonna be doing. All right, that looks like a great consistency right there. Before I start pouring my concrete, I'm gonna dampen this. It'll help it bond to this old stuff that's here. For added measure, I'm gonna use some concrete adhesive to put it along the outside of this. Let's start filling. Trying to get it back into all those crevices. I don't have a trowel, so I'm just going to use this. Try to get it flat as much as possible here. Kind of work around in the crevices. Look at that. Take my straight edge here. I'm gonna just measure it with my straight edge. And it looks like we are pretty level right there. Concrete patch, done. I'm gonna have to let this set up before I put the mats on, so I'll probably come back up tomorrow to check it and put the mats back over it. Overall, I would say that that was a pretty easy process. The hardest part is the prep work. You've got to make sure that your hole is clean and that the outer edges are ready to receive that new concrete. I hope this inspires you to go fix your own concrete if you drop a dumbbell or a kettlebell and it blasts a hole in it like this. If you like what you saw today, smash that subscribe button. If you have advice on how I can do this better next time, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. As always, remember, live with fitness.